Hey, so you're using Card and want to add images and text to make your site more engaging. Don't worry, it's super easy. In this guide, I'll show you step by step how to add, edit, and style images and text on Card. First, log into card.co and open the site you want to edit. Make sure it's saved and ready for changes. Click the Add Element button in the editor and choose Text. This creates a new text box where you can add headings, paragraphs, or any custom text. Click on the text box to type your content. You can format it by adjusting font size, color, weight, alignment, and spacing to match your design style. Click Add Element again and choose Image. Upload your image from your computer or paste an image URL if it's hosted online. Once your image is added, you can resize it, adjust position, add alt text, or even make it a clickable link. Card makes it easy to align images with your text or sections. You can create sections with both text and images. Drag elements around to get the layout you like, or use columns to make your content side by side. Click Preview to see how your text and images look on desktop and mobile. Make adjustments if needed to ensure everything is readable and visually appealing. Once you're happy, save your changes and publish your site. Free users can use a card.co subdomain, and pro users can use a custom domain. So yeah, that's how you add images and text in Card. Use text elements for headings and paragraphs, image elements for photos or graphics, combine them for a nice layout, then preview and publish. It's simple, quick, and makes your website look professional.